Hello everyone, this is Raunen Itzkovich from Skills of the Trade. Today is Monday, June the 24th. We're here with our weekly market analysis and stock trading ideas. So I have here the SPX index open, that's the S&P 500 on the weekly chart. We see that last week we had an up move that did not break the previous highs. All-time highs was here. We had a healthy correction over the last several months, coming down to 38.2% Fibonacci correction. I was expecting to have some kind of correction from this candle, but we did not see that last week. Therefore, the price went up to the all-time high, but did not manage to close above it. Now, what I'm expecting to see is for a healthy continual move is that the price will go down for a correction around to 28.80, maybe even 29 or 5, for us to see some kind of a healthy correction before there is a breakup move. If we don't see that, it's not particularly a good sign. It might come up above the highs and then come down below because we did not correct properly. So I'm expecting to see this week a gradual correction down to 2900, around 2900 for this week. Let's take a look at some of the trading ideas that I have for this week and coming up weeks. We'll start with what I talked about last week, CRM. Looking at the weekly chart, we see that CRM is doing a correction over the last several months. It came down to 38.2% Fibonacci and created this big green engulfing candle. What I'd like to see now on the daily chart is that the price will come down again slowly to $149, and we will see a reversal candlestick around this area. If we will see a reversal candlestick about this area of 150 or even below it, but closing above 150, that's a good sign. We can enter above the reversal candlestick and place our stop loss at around 145. First take profit will be around 165.50. Next we have Twitter, which is also what I talked about last week. Looking at the weekly chart, Twitter broke a major resistance line that we have here. Several weeks ago it broke it up. Now it's coming down to test for support. Going down to the daily chart, this is the big gap, breakthrough gap. Now the price is coming down slowly, testing for support at this level, which it did, bounced back up again, and last week it came down. And what I'd like to see here is a major reversal candlestick on the 50% and support level, 50% Fibonacci, which is down here. That's around $35. I'd like to see a major reversal candlestick right here happening before I place my entry. If we see that, we can put our buy order above the reversal candlestick, sell stop at about 35.50, and the first take profit will be at around $40.50. Next up we have AMD. Now AMD on the daily chart, we see that we have broken through Also a major support in the last couple of weeks. We have broken through it, and now we're coming down for support once and again twice. Going down to the hourly chart, we see as the price comes down to test for support at 61% Fibonacci, we have a nice strong up gap right here, which is a good sign for an upward movement. This is the first leg. Coming down for a second leg, what I'd like to see here is a major around $29. I'd like to see a major reversal candlestick, perhaps in green engulfing candlestick that's taking over all of these smaller candles and closing above $29, preferably closing above $29.50 for me to enter. As you can see, also the MACD histogram is slanting up, which is good. So if we see that major reversal candlestick around $29, we place our entry above the candle, stop loss below that, those candles, which would be $28.60, and the first take profit will be around $32. Second take profit right here, $34. Next up we have MRVL, Marvell Technology. Going into the daily chart, we have an upward movement which has broken through this support. So this broken through this resistance, and now if we run a correction, Fibonacci correction through this major up move, we move down to the hourly chart, we can see that the price came down to 38.2% Fibonacci, bounced on that, and now it's coming back down again for a second touchdown, which is good. What I'd like to see here is reversal candlestick on the 38% Fibonacci, which is also the resistance line, the support line, and that's going to be around $23.60. So I'd like to see on the hourly chart price coming down slowly again and creating some kind of reversal candlestick around this price level. Again, we'll enter above the reversal candlestick, stop loss below 23.40, and our first take profit will be at 24.85. Lastly, we have Ford Motors F. On the daily chart, we have an upward trend. You can see it from here, and support and resistance lines is right here. Now if we run a Fibonacci correction to see the last correction on how much it has reached, we'll go down to the hourly chart. You can see that the price corrected down to all the way down to 61.8% Fibonacci, went back up again, and now it's coming back down again, hopefully to test for support for the second time at around 50% Fibonacci. So what I'd like to see here on the hourly chart again is a slow downward movement back down, testing for support for the second time around $9.60. If we will see either a strong reversal candlestick or a strong gap up like we saw here, then we would have an entry. The entry would be above the reversal candlestick or the gap up below the like in this scenario, we will place our stop loss below support, which will be around $9.50, and our first take profit will be at around $10.40. So I hope that will work out for us this week, and for the following weeks we can follow those stocks and see what happens. If you would like more information about my trading strategies and how I work, you can check out my new book called Stock Trading 101, a practical beginner's guide to stock trading and technical chart analysis. In this book, I go over many of the concepts of trading in the stock market. I'm giving you the ability to know how to read stock charts, how to place correct Fibonacci corrections, and how to be able to know when we have that, strategies that I'm using for trading, risk management, and much more. Check it out. It's on Amazon, or check it out on my website, skillsofthetrade.com. If you have any questions, you can reach me at support@skillsofthetrade.com, and I hope to see you guys next week. Enjoy.